And we are live. So this video is going to focus on the 6-fact family. And once again, I am going to skip count by sixes, and I'm going to show you how if you can skip count from 6 to 60, you can solve every single problem in the 6-fact family. So I'm going to get into it. Ready? Here we go. I'm going to start counting by sixes. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. All right. Now, as you can see, I have all of the multiplication problems within the 6-fact family written here. And I'm going to solve them by skip counting from 6 to 60. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Repetition is the key. It may seem repetitive, it may seem like the same thing over and over again, but it is the key. It is the key. This is like building the foundation. When you have a big house starts with a steady foundation. If you're able to skip count by every number from 1 to 10, multiplication will seem effortless. And again, if you can't count 6, 12, 18 and keep counting like that's okay. As I've said in previous videos, the best fact families to start with are 10, 5, and 2. Spend 5 minutes, start practicing the 10, 5, and 2 fact family every day. Don't go move on to the bigger numbers until you've mastered those. 6 times 12, well, 10 times 6 is 60, so 11 times 6 would be 6 more than 60. 11 times 6 would be 66. 12 times 6 would be 72. With all of these fact families, the answer to every multiplication problem is 6 more than the previous problem. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 is 6 more than 6. 18 is 6 more than 12. 24 is 6 more than 18. It just keeps going up by sixes. But again, start with the 10, 5, and 2 fact family. And you can make it fun. You don't only need to do this on a whiteboard. If you want to go outside and jump around, get chalk. Write the numbers counting by tens out on chalk and then jump from one number to the next. Make it fun. And now I'm going to end this video by having some fun. I'm going to move the table over and going to throw down a few dunks. Let me see if I can get a chair in here. All right, here we go. What type of dunk do you want to see? Windmill between the legs? Behind the back? $360. All right, $360. I'm going to do a $360. After I do the $360, I want you to hit that like button. Whew. Busted the rib a little bit on that one. What you do with your left hand, you got to do with your right hand. People tell me, you're old, you're over the hill, you got bad knees, you can't jump the way you used to. This is what I say to that. Note to self, in a real game, when you dunk on somebody, don't pound your chest, don't like yell in their face, just run hard back on defense. Act like you've been there before. All right, one last dunk. I'm going to try to put my head as high up to the ceiling as I can, and then I'm just going to land with it. All right. That is my video on the 6-fact family. The 7-fact family is next. Huge thank you for all the comments and for hitting that like button. Good question. Very good question. Very, very soon. You see, the problem with the powerlifting video is it got copyrighted. Now, I wasn't playing any music, but as I was in the weight room in the gym doing the math problems in between sets, there was music playing. And even though I wasn't playing the music, it got copyrighted because I didn't own the songs that were playing. So what I'm doing now is I'm building like a home gym. And then once I build that home gym and once I got like a shed around like my general area, then I'm going to start doing the powerlifting videos again. But that's the story with that. I took it down. It was one of my favorite videos. I love doing it, but it got copyrighted. That's why I had to take it down. All right. In about 10 minutes, a video is coming on for the 7-fact family. But like, share, comment, subscribe. I will see you soon.